Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete Opera cookies and browse history in Opera website guys. Let's jump straight into it. Let's go to search menu and type Opera browser. Open it. On left side you just need to click on this Opera symbol and go to settings in lowercase guys. Settings, click on it and scroll down. Clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, cache and more. You just need to click on it and everything you just need to check mark over here guys. And after that, time range, you just need to select last hour or last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, all time. You just need to click on whatever you want it to delete it. Just deleting last hour and click on it and clear data. Now scroll down guys. Here's the option cookies and other site data. Third party cookies and are blocked in private mode. Just need to open it. See all cookies and site data and permissions. Click on it. And here is the cookies and other site data guys. You just need to click on clear all data. Click on it. And you just need to click on clear. And that's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.